Hi everyone. So today we'll be talking about greedy algorithms. Little bit on what a greedy algorithm is, what kind of problem it solves, and yeah. So let's get right into it. So the topic is greedy algorithms. So so what is a greedy algorithm and what kind of problems it solves? So greedy algorithm basically solves problems of optimization, right? So what are optimization problems? So the problems where a minimum or maximum is asked. Those kind of problems are called optimization problems. So generally for optimization problems we prefer either greedy or DP. So I mean, what is a DP? So we're referring to dynamic programming here. So these are the two approaches that we usually take to solve these optimization problems. So one thing to know or remember is that every optimization problem can be solved using DP. So every optimization problem can be solved using DP, and but the same cannot be said for greedy. So every optimization problem cannot be solved by greedy algorithm. So greedy cannot solve every optimization problem. So that is one thing to remember. And another thing that we should keep in mind is like, so what usually happens in DP versus greedy? So in DP, what we are doing is we are trying to explore all the possible options and then taking the maximum of those options. So generally, if you're going to explore all of the options and then going to find the maximum or the minimum, so that becomes your global minimum or maximum, right? Global min or max. But what we do in greedy is, and that is why these kind of problems are called greedy, what we do in greedy is we tend to look at certain constraints and whether those constraints allow us the freedom of not exploring all the options. And if we are not exploring all the options and if we are just taking the local minimum or maximums at every step and then arrive at a solution, then that solution is said to be solved using greedy algorithm. So this is in a nutshell uh, what a greedy algorithm is. So what is a greedy algorithm? So a greedy algorithm is an algorithm in which we are not going to explore all the possible options and then arriving at a solution. But in greedy, what are we doing is at every step, we are trying to find either maximum or minimum and then arriving at a solution. So this is just an introduction to this topic. We'll be covering a set of problems, some easy, some medium, and some hard problems on lead code. And I mean, after we have solved a couple of problems, we will try to understand what exactly do I mean by that, right? So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you.